Oh, hello. So I'm making this video for the educators and teachers having difficulty in signing up for this EduRevamp program. Firstly, what is this EduRevamp all about? This EduRevamp is a program by the Federal Government of Nigeria, Ministry of Education, to empower teachers to acquire skills, more skills to be able to deliver effectively in their teaching profession. So now this is a program that you have to sign up, you take some classes, and at the end of the process you'll be given a stipend, and you'll also be given a certificate that is recognized by the Ministry of Education. Now going further, this is a copy of the certificate that you issued after the completion of the whole program. You can see the certificate. It is a certificate that is recognized by the federal government, but under the Ministry of Education and National Teachers Institute, Kaduna. Now, if you are just starting up on the EduRevamp program, firstly you come to register. This aspect here, you click on register here. Once you click on register here, it will open up a form for you to fill up. This is the form. You enter your personal information, your first name, your last name, your national identification number, gender, date of birth, phone number, email address. You create a password, self origin. You go next, then you follow up you fill up the details from 1 to review, and then you submit it. After successfully submitting, a link will be sent to your email address, which you have to verify. Now let's go on, please. Since I already have an account, we just use a demo account. I want to use that to show you step by step the procedures that you have to take to successfully take the courses and finish all the modules available. Now, having done with your sign up process, you will go to our login page and click on this part to login. This part here to login. Now, sorry, please let me clean up all this. Okay, so we'll go to this part here to login. And let's click on login. Now, I'll enter my email address and password, and I'll show you my dashboard. Now, this is my dashboard. You can see the overall progress here. As I'm just starting, I've not taken any course yet, so I'm having 0%. So I have 8 tasks to complete to be able to finish the task. I have 8 tasks. I've not started with any. Now, the deadline will be given here. The TLC certificate, if you have it, you add it here. Then you enter your phone number here to request for data. Be given data that you use for the course. So be given data. Then you enter your, sorry please, be given data. Then now to start with, first thing you do is you come to this aspect here. You take this course under NIDA Digital Literacy something. Click on it, start course, then you take the course. Once you are done with the course, you come back and upload a certificate under this. I'll walk you through the whole process. Please don't rush. I'll walk you through the whole process. Now the next thing, you come to a community of practice where you require is a required prerequisite. You also have to join the Telegram group, enter a phone number, you join Telegram, because most of the things you be doing, you have to be dealing with their Telegram bots. Also, once you are done with a particular module, you go to the Telegram bot, you post the last test that you given from that module, you post on Telegram bot, and it automatically reflects on this dashboard that you are done with the program. Don't be in a rush, just relax. I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Now let's go on. You have your phone number, and now these are the modules. You have module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, and the final module. This is after this final module here. You now be given a certificate, and you be asked to enter your bank details to receive a stipend. So we don't know how much stipends is for now. But as soon as people start receiving stipends, we know how much stipends are. Now, so I haven't shown you all this. Let's now get started. And the first thing you have to do is you have to first of all add a phone number to get to create and to log into the Telegram dashboard. So I'll enter my phone number now. I'll sign. Now I'll click to enter my Telegram WhatsApp what Telegram phone number. So immediately you enter your Telegram number, it will bring you back to this part. You can now see that it is now showing that you have to join the community of practice is in progress, meaning that you have not finished the processes. The first one here is done. You have entered a Telegram number. Secondly, you have to join the community of practice. Then thirdly, you share your contact with what community bots. So after that, you introduce yourself to the community, then it should not be checked as done. Now let's get started doing this one after the other. Now firstly, let's start with what? Join the community of practice. To do that, we'll simply do what? We click on the what? On this. Join the community of practice. We click on it. And once you are done with that, we continue with the next post. Now, view the instructions. What do we do? What do we do next? I clicked on view instructions. It's showing you how to join Telegram what? Community. Hold on, please. So as you can see, it's asking us to join the Telegram community. That is the next thing after you have provided your phone number. Now to do that, we'll simply do what? Simply click on this join Telegram community. And once you do that, it will bring you to the Telegram group, asking you to join the Telegram community. So now you are in Telegram group. It's asking me to join now. We'll click on join. So I've joined the group. Let's go back to the EduRevamp platform and see the next thing. Now it's still showing join Telegram community. We have joined, but we have not what? We have not activated our account on it. Now let's go back there. Now this is what is telling us. Welcome. To connect your EduRevamp profile, please click the connect account button below. So click on this connect account button here to connect your account. I've clicked on it. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now click on start. To connect your EduRevamp profile, please click connect account button below. We have done that already. Now let's go back and check. Now I've clicked on connect account, and as you can see here, it's telling me no accounts found with the phone number. Now please ensure your Telegram phone number matches your provided COP number. Now what this simple means is that when you are creating accounts on the EduRevamp portal, if you started your phone number with 08 or 09 whatever without including the +234, the country code, it will not detect your account, your phone number. So now I've now added my phone number. We started with the country code +234. Now if you now come down now, it is now showing me that what account successfully linked. So I will now go back to now telling me to introduce myself in the group chat if I have not done that already. Now let's do this. Now go to the group chat and do that. Now this is the group chat. Let me say hello, hi. So I'm introducing myself in the group. Hi. So let's now go back to the EduRevamp and see. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Now so far you can see overall progress, and I've made 13% progress so far. One has been completed out of 8 tasks. Now let's go down. So if you see it now, the community of practice has now been successfully verified. You can see it here. It has now been verified. I've successfully linked my Telegram account to my EduRevamp portal. So I've successfully completed step 1 out of 8 steps. Now let's get going. Let's now move to the second step. So the second step now is for me to come here and take what? The NIDA digital literacy course. Now to do that, all I have to do is what? Click on what? Start course here. I'll click on what? Start course here. Then it will direct me to NetAcad portal, which is the what? Cisco networking portal. So let's now go on. Click on start course. And it has brought us to the netacad.com portal, which is the Cisco portal. Let's wait for it to load. Now it asks us to enter our details. If you already have an account, If you don't have an account, to ask you to sign up on the Cisco Academy portal. Now, so this is the course we are here to take. Teachers, create digital content, communicate and collaborate online. Let's get started by clicking on what get started here and wait for it to load. Now it's asking us to enter our account details. If you already have an account, you just click on login. If you don't have an account, you click on what you started up. You can also sign up using your Google account. Now, use my Google. If you don't want to sign up, you can use a Google account. So I'll use one of my Google accounts to start up on this portal. Now click on the Google, on this Google here, to start with Google here, as you can see it. Then to now direct you to where you have your Google account and ask you to log in using your Google account. That's what you are going to do now. Now hold on while I go on with that. So immediately you click on login with your Google account. It will bring out your Google account, ask you to select which one you want to use. After doing that, you follow the procedures, the other things, then to now bring you to this part. So you have to accept and continue the instructions. After reading everything, the terms and conditions, I've read it. So I just have to do accept and continue. Please take your time to read it. Don't always skip. There are some terms and conditions that may not be favorable to you. It's always advisable to take your time to read it. Now accept and continue. Now it has opened our dashboard on our netacad.com. That is Networking Academy portal. So you can now get started with our course on teachers education. That's the only thing we are here for. Once we are done, we can go back. Now this is the course. So you have to take your time. We have module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 till the last year, where you become certified in creating, communicating and collaborating. So immediately you are done with this last part, you'll be given your certificate. You'll be given your certificate. Now to get your certificate, you simply click on this part that you have your resources here. Once under the resources, your certificate will be shown here for you to download. Now if you can't find it here, you can simply come back to your home page here. Then you click on this part that you have your profile picture. You click on it. So once you click on this part that you have your profile picture, hold on please. Click on this part that you have your profile picture. You come to your badges and certificates here. Badges and certificate. That's the once you are done with your course. Come to badges and certificates. Then your certificate will be showing here. You can see no badge and certificate displayed. Your certificate will be showing here. Let me show you how the certificate looks like, so I can know what. So this is how your certificate looks like. You can see this is how your certificate looks like. So create digital content, communicate and collaborate online, issued by Cisco Networking Academy. So once you have this, you will now go back to your EduRevamp portal to upload it. You go back to your EduRevamp portal to upload the certificates. So you now come back to this EduRevamp portal and click on I have completed this course. Once you click on I have completed this course, this will appear for you, showing you a sample of the certificate. You can see it's not even for what I showed you. So you now click on upload certificates here, then you submit it. Once you have submitted the certificate, you wait for some time. The certificate will be verified if it is real or not, if it is genuine or fake. So once it has been verified, this pending will now also change to verified, as we have it here. This part here will also change to verified. Then we would have completed the first module, the first step and the second step. Now you then have to come here and request for data if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can just proceed. Please take note, like I've been receiving some complaints from some people saying the NetAcad platform, that's the Cisco platform, is asking you to make payments. You are doing something wrong. Please, you should just retrace your steps. You don't have to make any payment to any platform. Everything there is free. So once you are done with both steps, then now this first module here will now be unlocked for you. Teacher capacity building modules. This part here. So it will now be unlocked. You can now start taking your course, the module 1. Once you are done with the module 1, you come to the second module. Once you are done, you come to the third module, fourth module, fifth, and the final exam. After the final exam, you download your certificate of completion. You now be asked to apply for for stipends. You will be asked to apply for stipends. So I think with this, you should be able to navigate your EduRevamp portal successfully with no itch. You should be able to do everything yourself with stress free.
So if you have any question, complaint, inquiry, or you need clarity on something more, just simply drop it on the comment section. I'll gladly what attend to it. Please feel free to share to your friends and family that are also teachers, either public school teachers or private school teachers also benefit from this opportunity from the federal government of Nigeria through the Ministry of Education. It is a very, very good program because the modules are they are packed with what good words content that really benefit teachers. So please share it to your friends and family that are teachers, either in public school or in private school. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting for your questions and inquiries.